Hello friends, Chintamani here. Welcome to the channel. So as some of you might already know, those who are subscribers, that there are a series of videos on Python for beginners. So to align those onto the curriculum which is there by University of Mumbai and which follows the NEP, the National Education Policy 2020, it has been implemented and regulation has come out in 2023. So as per that, the Bachelor of Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering branch with Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, which is there in semester 2. So semester 2 is having Python. It might be in semester 2, but it is useful for the entire BE, because for any of the projects, or if anybody wants to specialize in AI and ML, then Python is sort of a de facto language. It's the most dominant and predominantly used there, and also used in other fields like robotics and so on. So there will be series of videos here. So in the comment section of this particular video, I will be posting all the links to all the videos. Why I have made a separate video on this is it will have sort of a index or table of contents on this video, I mean in the comments of this particular video, so that you can follow. What we'll be covering is, if you see the code, every subject will have a code. It's VSEC202. You go down below, it will show you. So what I will be covering here is familiarizing with Python, the syntax, variables, data types, operators and so on. It will also cover loops, function, conditional statements and lots of other things, including file handling, the object oriented programming, which is called as OOPS, then GUI, and if possible a mini project on this too. So it will cover starting from number 1, which you see here, introduction to Python. Some of the videos are already uploaded. Control flow and functions, file handling, so it will have how to read and write to files, Python packages, how to handle errors, so error handling and so on. It will also cover object oriented programming and advanced Python concepts like regex, which is regular expression, and then have a small project, a mini project sort of. But this would be helpful for all people who want to grow and then ultimately have an application for AI, ML or anything which can use Python here. So hope to see you soon with more videos. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will get info about the videos which come in at a later stage. Thank you very much and see you soon.